Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt, and I'm excited to bring you my fifth look using the Jeffree Star, the Blue Blood palette. This is the day that I went and got my hair cut on April 11th when I recorded this look, so this is the last look that I recorded doing anything with his palette with my long hair, so hopefully you guys like it. I was going for kind of like a navy blue and turquoise moment, but one of the shades ended up not working with me as easily as I thought it was. But hopefully you guys enjoy the voiceover and the steps that I did. So starting off for the very first shade for look number 5 is Celebrity Skin. I am taking this all through my crease and dragging it underneath my eye. The blush bronzer highlight, I'm wearing Star Island from Ofer Cosmetics. The blush is from a BH Cosmetics blush palette, and my bronzer is Park Avenue Princess. I am wearing Celebrity Skin mixed with a Flower Beauty lipstick. Everything will be linked down below. I'm now going into the shade Untouchable. I was just going to go with like a neutral look since I was going to get my hair all chopped off and donated, and I realized that yes, you can see the pink, but it's just not, it's not nearly as bright as I wanted it to be or as vibrant against my skin color. So I then took the shade Deceased. Now this shade is very difficult to work with. I am working with a wet, flat synthetic shader brush. I did get it wet with water, and I took that on the outer half of my eye and then right up against my lash line using the tip of the brush so that it was as close to my lash line as I could possibly get it. This is a very difficult shade to work with. I had a hard time getting it to actually load onto the brush. It's the hardest eyeshadow in the palette, I swear. When I swatch this, some of the shadows you barely touch them and they crumble into your finger. This one here is like an absolute brick. I had so much trouble trying to get the brush loaded, it wasn't even funny. Then I'm going in with the shade Entitled on the inner half of my eye, and again I'm using a wet synthetic brush. This is a Luxie 245. I took it also right up against my lash line underneath my eye to match. And it's funny, the Deceased shade is like a royal blue metallic, and the Entitled shade is like an aquamarine blue metallic, like shimmer shade, and it's funny, on the eye they look very similar. I'm then taking Cullinan on my brow bone and I'm working it in with my finger. Now I'm going in with my JCat Beauty. This is their Perfect Brow Duo in medium brown that I am using on my brows, and then I go over that with the Model Co Insta Brows in dark brown. Actually, no, this one's dark brown, the other one is medium dark. My bad. And the JCat one is just a little bit too red, and so the Model Co one seems to tame that down. And then I go in with my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, and then I run over that with just a plain empty spoolie to make it so that it's not as crunchy. And I am like seriously like jamming out to my music in my headphones. This is the Makeup Forever Excessive Lash Mascara until I blink and then stab myself in the eye, and then we've got some cleanup work to do. That was so much fun. I took like 10 extra minutes to get my makeup done. Then I'm using an OSP Cosmetics Ultimate Eyeliner in the shade Diamond. This is a brilliant silver eyeliner and I absolutely love it. I then run back over my lips with the Celebrity Skin. The reason why I mixed it with the Flower Beauty is because the Celebrity Skin seems to be pretty drying to my lips, and it's definitely a matte formula. I then sprayed my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, hairspray smelling crap, and went back over my highlight. So this is technically look 5. This is the day that I went to go get my hair cut. This was recorded April 11th. This was recorded like an hour to 2 hours before I had to leave to go get my hair cut. And then of course I like to include actual, pictures that were taken with these were actually taken with my phone. And then there were some pictures that Amanda took at the salon of the new haircut. So you get to see the beginning of the video with long hair, and then the end of the video with at least 20 inches cut off of it. So hopefully you guys enjoy. The last part of the hair cutting series is supposed to go up today on my channel, the day that I'm editing this. I'm not quite sure what day this will post on my YouTube channel because I basically booked out the rest of my month yesterday, so I only had a couple of days left to schedule videos, and they're like the last couple of days of the month. So this will probably go up right before May 1st. And there is the new cut, and there is my makeup like 5 to 6 hours after I applied it, so you can see what it looks like and how it's holding up. So hopefully you guys like these real quick short voiceover tutorials that I'm doing. If you do, leave me a like. Definitely leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of my new cut, and I will see you in another video very soon. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye!